Who really is a frontline worker? It's not just about the job title. These are the employees who are physically present, working on the front lines of healthcare, manufacturing, retail, education, and more. From the emergency room to the warehouse, they're essential to every industry. But here's the kicker. While they make up a massive 82% of the global workforce, these employees are often left out of the digital transformation that's impacting office workers. They work in environments where communication is fragmented, where they're often disconnected from the organization, and where recognition isn't as frequent as it should be. Despite these challenges, frontline workers are the first point of contact for customers, ensuring your product or service is delivered efficiently. However, if these workers don't feel valued or connected, it impacts customer satisfaction and employee retention. That's why companies need to rethink how they manage their frontline employees. So, how do you ensure your frontline workers are truly connected, engaged, and empowered? HR Cloud is here to change that. Our solutions help bridge the gap by streamlining onboarding, improving engagement, and automating processes for frontline teams. With Onboard, you can automate the entire onboarding process. No more paper forms, no more manual data entry. From compliance tracking and role-based workflows to digital signatures, Onboard makes getting new hires up to speed faster and more accurately. Plus, the platform ensures that you stay on top of industry regulations like I-9, E-Verify, and specific certifications. And it doesn't stop there. Workmates is your frontline engagement solution. It's a mobile-first platform where employees can connect with each other, share feedback, and receive recognition in real time. With features like peer-to-peer recognition, real-time updates, and customized communication, Workmates helps your frontline teams feel valued, no matter where they are. Osmose improved onboarding efficiency and compliance using HR Cloud's Onboard, with over 80% positive feedback from their field teams. Toyota Material Handling increased engagement and connection across 230-plus locations with Workmates. Now, think about your own frontline teams. Are they as connected, engaged, and efficient as they could be? If you feel there's room for improvement, it's time to explore HR Cloud solutions. Book a free demo today by scanning the QR code and see how we can help you streamline your operations, engage your employees, and enhance productivity.